Hello fellow farmers, good afternoon. Today I'm at my farm that is 30 kilometers away from home, or from where I rear my Dorper sheep. So this is the progress of the Super Napier that I planted. It's nearly 1.5 months ago, but since I planted it, there have been no rain up to now, but you can see the way they are improving. It have already sprouted out, and this section I used to plant maize. It's like 3 to 4 points, but the other half have done maize for silage. So you can see also this side. I've also planted Super Napier here, and these ones I had planted them earlier enough. It was February. I've done the first cutting already, and even without rain you can see how they are trying. But this farm usually have some water. If you see closely here, it is wet, but it have never rained, and that's why the Super Napier are growing despite no rain. So these are the feeds that I usually come to pick with my pickup, the Datsun, plus the maize silage that it's on the other side. So these are some of the small activities that we do on a daily basis, and they enable our farm to run smoothly. So you can see, can have a